Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name connecting piece. It is not so complicated. The drawing is here. And we start by creating these two circles, one of diameter 44, this one, and the other with diameter 34 at a distance of 64. One is 52 tall and the other is 105. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, this plane. I rotate the axis to have X to the right. Circle 44, circle 34 on the same horizontal at a distance of 64. Finish sketch, extrude 52 plus 104. Okay. Now I want to create this rib, which goes to here and it's tangent to this cylinder. So I create it to this level, mid of this other rib. More specifical dimensions are 80. Note this 10, and the distance from this face, which is 14 millimeters from the center point. This is the center point, and I have to place this at 14 and the other on the axis of this cylinder. Let's do this. We use the plane XY for a new sketch. F7, rectangle, somehow this is placed at 80 millimeters from the bottom. This is 14. This is 10, and I project this face to have the possibility to make coincident these two, line and point. Fully constrained sketch. Let me see what is the thickness. Thickness is 8. I apply extrude, symmetrical, 8. Okay. Now there is another rib, and I start with it from here, from this axis to the left. Dimensions 8 on 34. I use this plane and a rectangle of 8 tab 34. F7, I place the midpoint of this side on the same vertical, Control Z, on the same horizontal with the center point, and placed at a distance of 80 here, 80. Finish sketch, extrude to the part, to the face, to this face. Okay. We continue with these other two cylinders, diameter of 35 and 28, distance of 64 plus 20, on vertical 80, and this is the axis with the center point, which is here. The two cylinders are the same length. Let's do this. We use this plane XY, F7, circle of 28, another circle of 34. They are placed on the same horizontal, and one of them is centered on the center point, and the other is placed at a distance of 64 plus 20, 64 plus 20. The distance on vertical is 80. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, 2, on 58. Okay. We continue with this rib, this one, or this one, you see, this. We start from the mid of this face and ending to this cylinder. Dimensions are 34 on 8, placed on 80 millimeters from the bottom with the mid axis. Okay, the plane is this, F7, rectangle, 8 tab 34, then I place it on the same horizontal because this is vertical between these two points, and the distance of 80 from the bottom to here, 80. Finish sketch, extrude to the other direction and ending to this cylinder. Okay. The other rib is this one, and it connects the two vertical cylinders. Dimensions 10 millimeters here to 80 up, and it ends here tangent with this cylinder. Good. XY plane, F7, rectangle, to this face and tangent to that circle. I project this face, I project this cylinder, but I make them construction, and I apply tangent here, collinear here, now I place this line on this point, and this distance is 10. I project this line to make coincident this line with this center. Yes, fully constrained sketch. Extrude, symmetrical 8. Okay, you see here the thickness. Very good. Now we focus on this feature. Dimensions are here, 36, radius 14, starting from this 80. Let's do this. The plane is XY, F7. We project this circle, but I select construction, then I draw a line from this end point to this horizontal end point, but this is not okay. No problem. I go here, click press the left button and go here, close. Now I place this end point on the circle and I apply tangent here. Radius is already 14 because this circle is 28. I can accept or I don't accept. I don't accept. But the other dimension is important and necessary, 36. Finish sketch. Now you see here the dimension 34, then a cut of 14 on 16. Extrude, symmetrical 34. Okay. Then I use the same plane, F7. I draw a line between these two, which has the dimension of 16 from the center, but this center is not projected. I project a circle I apply dimension of 16, and I draw two lines, one, restart, two, and now I apply extrude, symmetrical, with cut on 14. Okay. Next, the holes. There are many holes. This is 16 and this is 12, as well as this one, 12, and they are through. Let's start with this hole, face, center, all the way through, and the dimension is 16 plus this face, this center, but the dimension is 12 plus this face, this center, and the dimension is also 12. Okay. Other through hole is this one with diameter of 15. Hole, face, center, 15. Okay. The other one is this, 26 on a depth of 36. Hole with end from face and from center of 26 on a depth of 36. Okay, you see that hole. A special hole is this one, which is also through, but not symmetrical. It is placed on this generator and at a distance of 16 with diameter 3. Let's do this. The plane is XY, F7, project the generator, place a circle on that generator with diameter of 3 and a distance from the center point to here of 16. Finish sketch, extrude, select profiles. Inventor waits for us to select profile. I select this profile with cut, symmetrical all the way through the part. Yes. Okay. Now we see here undimensioned fillets are radius 3. There are a lot of fillets. I hope to apply all over. This is 3, and the other, all of them, is also 3. All these edges are filleted, even this too. Even this, also this, and we go on the other side to apply many fillets. I hope to apply all of them. We'll see when we calculate the volume. Okay, I missed this edge. You see it is also filleted. Double click here, I add another edge. I don't create a new fillet feature. I modify the existing ones. Now I feel that this is smaller. Let me see. What is that? This is. Double click. This is 35, my friends. 35, not 34. Double click. 35. Good. I hope I didn't miss anything. Let's see by checking the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. There is a small difference here, not important. All of us know that this is not what we did, but this is what we did. Yes, just follow the procedures and you will respect this value. Material is steel cast. Edges are hidden, and the aspect, general aspect, is dark olive. I apply some machining faces. You can add any other ones. You see, I press the shift button on the keyboard to select other and other faces. I press the shift. This is not in my original, and I apply steel polished to all of them. Let's compare this with this. Here is something. This is a face with only one fillet. Maybe this is the problem. I double click the fillet and I add also this. Now I hope the volume is the same as in the previous. Let's see what happens? Nothing happens. Properties, physical. You see, we don't have a value because we modify the part. Update, copy, close, and paste the new value. I don't know if this is the other, but I know that this is our result. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.